Welcome to the fascinating world of photosynthesis. Let's break it down in a fun and easy way. First, plants take in sunlight through their leaves. They also absorb carbon dioxide from the air. And don't forget about water from the roots. Now, here's where the magic happens. Inside the leaves, sunlight powers a chemical reaction. This reaction transforms carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Glucose is the food that plants need to grow. And as a bonus, oxygen is released into the air. So, plants are not just beautiful, they're essential for life. Understanding photosynthesis helps us appreciate nature more. Let's keep exploring the wonders of science together.